Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine.